Hi, I'm Aarti from 73Avenue Realtors. Welcome to the Simplex Penthouse at the One Galle Face. This beautiful penthouse is at 5,800 square feet. It's got 6 bedrooms, en suites, 1 study, and it's got the magnificent view of the port city. Let's check out the master bedroom at the penthouse. Look at the space, it's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I did. If you would love to make this beautiful penthouse your home, reach me on this number and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.